Hello everyone, I'm Trey Taylor, an attorney at the law office of Bryan Fagan. Today, we're going to discuss something that affects countless lives, which is family violence in Texas. Family violence cases are like storms, turbulent, emotionally charged, and often covered in darkness. But by understanding the law, we can bring some clarity to the chaos. First, let's talk about the term family violence. It involves more than just physical harm. It includes acts resulting in bodily injury, assault, or even sexual assault. These acts occur within family or household relationships. Imagine the Smiths, an ordinary family on the outside. However, things are rarely the way they seem. Domestic violence has a way of covering up the negative and making all those around you think you're safe, protected, and happy. In all actuality, it's quite the opposite. This proved true in Mrs. Smith's case. She feared for her life and her safety, so she obtained a protective order against Mr. Smith. Protective orders are meant to be a lifeline, a promise of safety and security. But emotions ran high and Mr. Smith brushed it aside, thinking it was insignificant. He made the mistake of thinking he would just get a metaphorical slap on the wrist for violating a protective order. Mr. Smith failed to realize the legal consequences of breaking a court order. Violating a protective order is a Class A misdemeanor, which can result in 1 year of jail time and be combined with a $4,000 fine. And if the situation escalates, it could transform into a third-degree felony with a large fine and prison time lasting from 2 to 10 years. Now, while consequences are essential, it's equally vital to understand that victims have rights too. They can seek protective orders, rely on law enforcement for intervention, and access support services. These include shelters providing refuge, counseling for healing, and legal aid organizations for guidance in their darkest hours. But what about the innocent souls caught in the crossfire? Children often bear the brunt of family violence. Child Protective Services, or CPS, steps in when child abuse or neglect is suspected. Their mission is to ensure the safety and well-being of these vulnerable young lives. Finally, laws aren't set in stone. They evolve. Staying informed about recent legal changes is crucial, as they affect how family violence cases are handled. In closing, remember that family violence isn't just about statutes and legal proceedings. It's about real people, real lives, and real pain. If you found this information valuable, I urge you to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with someone who might be in need. Knowledge is indeed power, and when it comes to family violence in Texas, it can be the difference between despair and hope. Thank you for joining me today. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care, and remember, knowledge is your best defense.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you, so please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.